Healthy snack ideas for busy days. No time for a full meal? Here are quick and healthy snack ideas to keep you energized and satisfied when you're on the go. Whether you're working, studying, or on the move, these snacks are convenient, delicious, and packed with nutrients to keep you fueled all day. Snack idea number 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, and the berries add antioxidants and natural sweetness. It's perfect for a quick snack or even a light breakfast. Snack idea number 2. Trail mix. A handful of nuts, seeds, and dried fruit makes a great snack that's easy to carry around. The healthy fats, protein, and fiber keep you full and provide steady energy. Snack idea number 3. For something crunchy, try veggies with hummus. Carrots, cucumber or zucchini, and bell peppers paired with hummus are a fantastic way to get in some fiber, vitamins, and protein. It's a refreshing, nutrient-packed snack. Snack idea number 4. How about apple slices with nut butter? This combination offers fiber, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or cinnamon for extra flavor and nutrition. Snack idea number 5. Hard-boiled eggs are a protein-packed snack that's easy to prepare ahead of time. Just season with a bit of salt and pepper, and you've got a satisfying, low-calorie snack. Snack idea number 6. For something a little sweet, try energy balls, made with oats, nut butter, honey, and mix-ins like chocolate chips or dried fruit. These bite-sized snacks are easy to make and perfect for a quick energy boost. Snack idea number 7, last but not least delicious, is rice cakes with avocado. The rice cakes add crunch, while avocado provides healthy fats that keep you full longer. Sprinkle with your favorite seasoning for extra flavor. Staying fueled and energized doesn't have to be complicated. Try these simple snacks on your next busy day, and I guarantee you won't regret it. Ooh, one more thing before I forget. Write in the comments section, what are your favorite healthy snacks for busy days? Don't forget to like, share with your friends who need it, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy info, tips, and recipes. See you in the next video.